Can I actually make money using AI trading tools? I'm putting the best ones to the test to find out. The world of trading has evolved significantly over the years, and one of the most exciting developments is the integration of artificial intelligence, or AI, into trading instruments. These AI tools are designed to help traders make more informed decisions, automate processes, and potentially increase their profits. But with so many options available, it's crucial to identify which ones are truly making an impact. Traditional trading methods can be time-consuming and often rely on human intuition, which can be flawed. The markets are more volatile than ever, and staying ahead of the curve is a constant challenge. I've been there too, feeling overwhelmed by the sheer amount of data to analyze and the pressure to make quick decisions. It's easy to get caught up in the emotional roller coaster of trading. One of the main issues with traditional methods is that they can be limited by human bias and emotions. Fear and greed can drive decision-making, often leading to suboptimal outcomes. Moreover, the sheer volume of market data can be daunting, making it difficult for traders to extract actionable insights. This is where AI comes in by leveraging machine learning algorithms and natural language processing. AI instruments can help traders cut through the noise and make more data-driven decisions. The problem is that many traders struggle to adapt to the rapidly changing market conditions. They might rely on outdated tools or methods that no longer work. That's why it's essential to explore new solutions that can help traders stay competitive. By examining the role of AI in trading, we can better understand how it can be used to improve trading outcomes. When it comes to AI instruments, there are several categories that stand out for their practicality and real-world application. For instance, AI-powered trading bots can execute trades at optimal times, minimizing the impact of human emotion. These bots can analyze vast amounts of market data, identify patterns, and make trades accordingly. Another category is AI-driven predictive analytics tools, which can forecast market trends and help traders make more informed decisions. AI-based sentiment analysis tools are also gaining traction. These tools can analyze news articles, social media posts, and other sources to gauge market sentiment and make predictions about future price movements. What's exciting about these tools is their ability to process vast amounts of data in real time, providing traders with a more accurate view of market conditions. Let me give you an example of how an AI instrument can outperform traditional methods. Imagine a trader who's trying to predict the price movement of a particular stock. They might spend hours analyzing charts, reading news articles, and trying to make sense of market trends. Meanwhile, an AI-powered predictive analytics tool can analyze millions of data points, identify patterns, and make a prediction in a matter of seconds. This can give the trader a significant edge in the market. The unique advantage of AI instruments lies in their ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. This enables traders to make more informed decisions and potentially increase their profits. Of course, no tool is foolproof, but AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we trade. In summary, AI instruments are essential tools for modern traders. They offer a range of benefits, from automation and data analysis to predictive analytics and sentiment analysis. By leveraging these tools, traders can gain a competitive edge in the markets and potentially increase their profits. If you've had any experience with AI trading tools, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Your insights can help others make more informed decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insights into trading technology and innovative tools that can help you stay ahead of the curve.